I am Azhar. I am from Pakistan. I am a PhD researcher at University of Grenoble, Alps, where I am working on transparent piezoelectric devices based on zinc oxide nanowires. And my work is basically to harness energy from nanostructures, convert them into nanogenerators so we can have energy for our future technologies without using any batteries. And I am also a father of a daughter named Anabia. After spending a lot of my day in my lab, so I have to also spend my quality time with my daughter and my family, so I can balance my work life with family life. I want my work to help build future energy generators which can help future devices without relying on batteries. Stay curious, ask simple questions without any shame, and give yourself permission to fail again and again so you can learn better way. From failing, you can learn best. As someone says, life is long learning.
My name is Maryna. I'm a Ukrainian PhD student in material science and CA in Grenoble. I'm working with semiconductors characterization. And I love Grenoble, hiking, and a strong community of PhD students here. I would probably choose to become a doctor, since I am driven by the passion of discovering what's going on in every particular case. I would recommend them never to give up, because the darkness in the night, the whole darkness becomes just right before the sunset. So never give up and never consider yourself as a failure. Just keep going.
Hello, I am Mario, the best ambassador. I like that. I'm a first-year PhD student, about to be second-year PhD student in materials characterization. What I do like the most about it is going home after work and do anything else. Basically, it's after several tries on something and it keeps failing, and then it miraculously works, or just give up and try another way that could potentially work. Well, by people, if you mean my father, because he thinks that I'm going to discover a new material or I'm going to invent a new rocket that flies everywhere.